Over the decades, what began as a small grassroots emergency relief effort has grown into Iraq's leading child-focused NGO. Our work has expanded from emergency aid to advancing national healthcare, developing educational infrastructures, transforming child protection procedures, and promoting youth empowerment initiatives. These are the programs and policies that will outlast any aid package. Yet, as our capacity grows, so have the challenges: climate change, radicalization, unemployment, poverty and displacement, to name a few. Narcotics too are harming our youth and destabilizing communities. And in this digital age, children face new dangers from cybercrime to online bullying and mental health problems. We're grateful that in recent years, KSC's registration has been formally welcomed in Baghdad, something we have long sought. This important step shows the national scope of our mission to serve wherever children need us, in every community across Iraq, while promoting tolerance and understanding in an increasingly divided world.